Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Oyinboke, where you get to learn everything about analytics and automation. In this video, I will do a walkthrough of the Office 365 ecosystem. Just as the name implies, with Office 365, you can literally build a functioning office without bricks and mortar by making use of the applications and tools within the ecosystem. Microsoft Office 365 has experienced a lot of development over the years, and it is known for productivity, helping to stay connected, and communication within an organization. In 2020, during the lockdown, we see a lot of business whose sustainability plan were hinged on the Microsoft Office 365 tool. Through that solution, they were able to stay connected, they were working collaboratively, and the business was able to keep running. In this video, I'm going to show you a bit of walkthrough. What do we have within the Office 365 ecosystem? So if you are in an organization that you are using Office 365, then this should get you a bit familiar. And if you are new to it, I'm also going to show you how you can also register for a developer account where you have access to some of these or majority of these tools. So let's log in. So what I have here with me now is Office 365. I have logged in, and how do I do that? You go to office.com and you put in your login details. This interface also changes because Microsoft kept working, improving their solutions. In the past, most of these applications were listed here, but right now you can see a lot of suggestions are coming in. The recent document I worked on, I can easily access my OneDrive, my SharePoint site. But at the left here, you can see all apps, you can see the applications you have. Even at that, you still have the all apps button. So when I click the all app button, it still lists the applications in this form, and I want to explore all the applications. I want to see them the way I can better relate with them. That takes you there. And the best way to explain this, they're already there through the snippet descriptions. The major application that we'll be using in your organization ranges from calendar, which most of the time is integrated into your Outlook on desktop, your Excel Online. We also have the Excel on system, but this is the Excel Online. It has some features that makes it a bit unique from the one on the desktop. Of course, I'm going to also show you this as we proceed in this learning journey. So I will encourage you to take the time, subscribe, so that you won't miss out as I keep adding more videos across this learning path. Microsoft Forms is a very good tool. It helps you to digitize data collection, because oftentimes you do it either by collecting forms, filling manual form, but through Microsoft Forms, you can create online forms similar to Google Form, collect information across the organization and manage them well. List was introduced late 2020. It's a feature extracted from SharePoint. We'll explore that together as we also learn. Power BI, if you're into business intelligence, you can see a lot of that. OneNote allows you to stay organized like Google Notes. This time around, it has a lot of features that also connect to other solutions. Connect your Outlook. You can have a meeting and then push the email directly to your OneNote. OneDrive is also here, which is your storage solution, storage tool. A lot of organizations use on-premise solution like file server to store the information, but during the lockdown, majority that most of the 365 started using OneDrive to share and interact securely, and that is the power of Office 365 ecosystem. Power Automate helps you to automate processes. Power Apps to build low-code, no-code applications. You see streams similar to YouTube or confined to an organization. You want to see projects, solution for managing your project and staying organized. Teams for workplace collaboration. All this, you can explore them. So depending on the license that they assigned to you, you might not have some of the applications here. Take, for example, the admin. Definitely, you might not have that because the account I'm using is the admin account. Office 365, Dynamics 365, you might also not have that. Like compliance, because this is more of an administrative applications. and maybe Power BI, depending on so few other applications, but for sure you're going to have Power Automate, Power Apps, Forms, the Excel online, and few other applications which will definitely help you to be more productive whatsoever you do. This interface also makes it accessible for me in case I build any applications, apps like flow buttons that can easily trigger and can help me, get something done quicker. You can also access them there. Applications, same application that we have explored all up here. This application, they are also the ones here, but up here there is a description about the applications. All right, and a couple of other things that we don't have up there, you can also see them here. So down here you can also see 3 tips and tricks that can also help you kickstart your exploration of the ecosystem. Remember, the beauty about this is that all these applications are interconnected. You're going to see that a lot as it extends the flexibility and functionality of Office 365 application. You can be building something in Microsoft Form, continue to extend what that will be able to do in Power Automate. Again, continue to SharePoint to create more functionality, more management portal, and the rest. So, how do you then get access if you don't have Office 365 license? I'll just encourage you to go to your browser, just browse Microsoft developer account, and you can register. Like this developer program, Microsoft 365. So here you can register, join now. I'm actually using that same account to do this demo. Once you register and you put your reasons and it's approved, then you have 3 months access to an E5 license, which give you access to a lot of applications, just the same way, just all these things that I also have here. And more also, depending on how you're using it, there are terms and conditions. You can use it for commercial purposes, it's just for you to learn and grow. And more also, after 3 months they evaluate and they can extend for another 3 months, continue, extend for 3 months, depending on how you're active and then how they perceive you're using it, and you're still keeping to the rules and regulations that guides the license. All right, I want to say a very big thank you. In the next video, I'm going to introduce specifically Microsoft Power Platform, which has to do with Power Automate, Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Virtual Agent. Thank you.